Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can reset your Face ID on iPhone very easily and quickly. Please, friends, put your likes under the video. Write your comments after watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So, I'll show you from the very beginning. In order for you to find the Face ID settings, of course, you'll need to go into Settings first on your iPhone in general, then scroll down to the bottom and select Face ID and Password. Next, you'll need to keep your passcode on your phone. After that, friends, here you will be able to find the option to reset Face ID. You will just need to click here once, and then your customized Face ID will be reset. But friends, keep in mind that when you do this, you won't be able to do the actions that you used to do earlier using Face ID. For example, if you previously unlocked your phone using Face ID, you won't be able to do that anymore. And also to download some programs in the App Store and other actions. In order, for example, to unlock your phone or download some program, you will need to use your phone passwords or passwords from your Apple ID. This is how you can easily reset your Face ID on iPhone. Friends, I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to the channel,